everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Roblox. To change your display name on Roblox, first of all, open up the Roblox app on your device and log in. Once you're in the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on More button at the bottom right. Now, from the More menu, tap on Profile. Inside the Profile tab, tap on the Edit Profile button, which will then bring up this page where you need to go ahead and tap on Display Name text box. Now enter a new name, erasing the current one inside your Display Name text box, and once you are done, click on Save. Right after you do that, your display name will be updated on Roblox. You have now a new display name that appears to other players on Roblox. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.